QuizPlatter. A platter full of knowledge. Guess the sun quiz? What is the sun mainly made of? Answer C. Hydrogen, helium. What type of star is the sun? Answer B. Yellow dwarf. How long does sunlight take to reach Earth? Answer D. 8 minutes. What is at the center of the solar system? Answer A. Sun. What layer of the sun can we see? Answer B. Photosphere. The sun produces energy by Answer C. Nuclear fusion. Are sunspots cooler areas on the sun? Answer A. True. What is the approximate distance between the sun and Earth? Answer D. 150 million kilometers. Which element is most abundant in the sun? Answer B. Hydrogen. How long does the sun take to rotate once? Answer A. 27 days. Why does the sun appear yellow when seen from Earth? Answer C. Rayleigh scattering. How many moons does the sun have? Answer D. 0. What happens when the sun's charged particles hit Earth's atmosphere? Answer A. Aurora, northern, southern lights. What is the outermost layer of the sun? Answer C. Corona. When is the sun expected to die? Answer B. 5 billion years. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.